Hi guys, we're back. We're just breaking an iPhone 5. You can see around the buttons really coming off.
Wow, that's
there.
The carnage.
That's pretty smashed up. Oh man.
Oh geez. Oh yeah. It's dying.
Oh man. Oh man.
Good job smashing Nolan.
Oh, look at the back.
Today we were going to be trying out what's inside an iPhone.
Oh my gosh.
Let's look inside. Wait, get it, open it. Wait, check out the circuit board. Oh wow, yeah,
Yes. Screen showing off. Oh man, look at it. It looks like snow. It just comes right
The
off.
screen just blew
This
off.
is what's inside an iPhone.
Yeah.
Keep on going. There's a
Keep
lot
on
more.
going. See what else is in there.
Next I'm gonna rip off this part.
That's the back of the iPhone. You can see the word. You can see the word iPhone and the camera. Just flipped around. Big part just broke off. Oh, the progress is working. So you can just peel that off. Yep. Now there's the battery.
Oh,
Has the battery.
that's what's inside an iPhone, guys. That's the
See the
battery.
See the camera? Camera.
battery.
Right there, the camera. That's the iPhone and the camera. So
What's
inside the
inside an
iPhone. On the other side. That you can see this. So you take this. Whatever. Just take out the battery.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, let's take out the battery.
yeah, take out the little Take out the battery.
Might be a little hard.
Let's see what's inside.
Oh man. Pull it out. Oh, this is the
Here
battery?
is the battery.
So
This is the battery.
that's what the battery looks
It's like-
like from an iPhone.
This is what
Wait, what's the camera? That's
it's
the
the
It's
camera
bendy.
right there.
This is really funny because it's like bendy.
Wait, take out the camera. Take out the camera, please.
Taking out the camera.
Take off this top part.
The
See,
lens of the camera is right there.
That's the lens.
That's the camera lens.
This is where you turn off the camera and your jack's at the top. Right there.
The broken glass peels right off. That's inside nothing.
Not much to it. What if you take off the home button? This white part right here.
Yeah, that's the button.
Yeah, there's just like tons of stuff. Just okay. What if you take this part off? I bet there's more after that.
Yeah, this is the screen.
Just smash it. Cause then you could see like that.
Alright guys, I gotta do this final smash.
It's gonna be get back.
Woo!
Oh, the iPhone bent. Oh man,
You got it.
look at that.
And
Look at the
that is
screen.
the other-
This.
Hey, what's in that package?
What does that feel like?
Is there anything in there?
These are the
Oh, that's just like aluminum.
And just tons of little layers inside the iPhone. Rather than the front, back of the iPhone. That was part of the screen once. It looks like just like aluminum.
smash that like button or I'll smash it for you.
Yes.
That's it.
Please.
In that video.
Please.
Smash that like button like Nolan.
Please smash that like
I'll
button.
smash it for
Please
you.
slash that like button and subscribe.
Smash
Thank
that
you.
like button and the subscribe button.